Hello everyone, I wanted to talk about this ZINUS Jennifer desks that I have here in the office. This one is in deep espresso and is 63 inches. It comes in a few other sizes and colors. It's good for office work, dorm use, crafts. You could even use it for dining and things of that nature. It's made of engineered wood on the top of a solid steel frame, so it's nice and sturdy. It's very easy to assemble with Allen head type screws, and it weighs about 10 pounds, so it's really light to move around if you need to. I do really like the way this engineered wood looks. I like the way the grain is put together. They did a really good job with that. It's comfortable to sit at and gives you a lot of space to work. It is easy to clean up and to keep clean with the finish that is on top of the wood. It is also water resistant and is showing to be pretty durable. You can see here the underside and how it's put together. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.